shares highlights of the recently held Jamaica Moves Reload event at Turtle River Park in St. Anne. Take a look.
Let's get physically fit was the theme for the Jamaica Moves Reload event recently held at the Turtle River Park in Ocho St. Anne. We were there to capture the moment, and we bring you all the highlights in this episode of Western Roundup. Stick around. The resumption of face-to-face interactions under the Jamaica Moves initiative created a buzz among residents in St. Anne when the staff of the Ministry of Health and Wellness and its stakeholders converged on Turtle River Park in the parish on August 25 for the official relaunch of the program.
We are seeking to reignite the Jamaica Moves momentum, which lulled a little through the COVID-19 pandemic. But as we open up things, we are ready to get back into some face-to-face interactions, ready to remind the public that they need to be out doing their physical activity, giving out tips about healthy eating, and of course, ensuring that persons are doing their health checks, because we all need to know what our health status is.
The day's activities included back-to-school medicals, blood sugar and pressure tests, pap smears and mammograms. Activities patrons were all excited to benefit from.
I was saying to myself that I want to come here because this is fun for the kids and see what's going on with the activity and stuff. I came here and they show how to eat healthy, how to exercise and check your blood pressure and diabetes and see how your body works and stuff. And I appreciate it and I love it. And the kids, they come and to enjoy themselves.
There was also a nutrition village featuring demonstrations of healthy food preparation and sampling, and the general dissemination of information.
So far, I've participated in mostly eating, which that is not really healthy, but I try to do some of the drills that I see the firemen were doing, the push-up and all. It's been a while I haven't done that, so it's kind of taking a strain on my body. That tell me that I need to get back in shape.
Physical activities including an obstacle course event, Chinese skip, hopscotch and hula hoop were also a part of the mix. These were complemented by 4 30-minute physical workout sessions, all a part of the Reload experience, which will be continuing in schools, workplaces and communities going forward.
We're in the schools, we're in the communities, and we're in the workplaces as well, just trying to get persons up with the information about how to take care of themselves, how to eat healthy, how to be physically active, and just go into the doctor to get your checkups. So within the workplaces, we call it corporate wellness. We have a manual that we share with employers and employees so that they can get with the information so that they can create programs or plan challenges or activities within the workspace to help people, to be healthy. Within the schools, we have what we call 3 5-minute break. So what we do is we are trying to get the students a little bit more active. As it relates to the communities, we are assigned specific communities that we work in, and so we get a group of persons and we try to see what are some of the issues that they're having. So we just want persons to just be mindful of the fact that, it's how you live your life will determine how long you actually get to live your life.
The day's activities may have seemed like all fun and games, but it also made a significant impact on the youth.
For especially young people, I would say it's best you guys get in shape because nowadays most young people are getting sick from illness that would normally affect people later on in their age. So it's best to check out what's going on from an early stage and catch it while it's young so you can actually do something about it before it's too late.
For more information on the Jamaica Moves program, contact your nearest health department.
all for the program today. As usual, thank you for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, ensure you remain physically fit.